Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to focus on adding a mask to our Bitmoji. Of course, you can go ahead and add the mask um, from the Snapchat um, app, but if you don't like the mask and you want to customize one to your liking, you can go on Google image and just type in face mask and find one that you like, or take a picture of a face mask that you own. And then I'm going to show you where you can go to remove background so that you're able to remove certain items or the background from the face mask. So we're going to select upload an image. Of course, I just downloaded a face mask that I absolutely like. And so it's going to be the Friends face mask. I'm going to open it by uploading it. And here the tools that help you to remove the background. Okay, so what you can do is select edit, and it gives you some options for what you want to do, but of course we just want to remove the portion of the face mask that goes over your ears. So we're going to select erase, and you can choose how big or small you want your brush to be. And if you make a mistake, so we're going to erase it. And if you make a mistake, you can go ahead and press restore to help restore any mistakes that you may have made. And we're just going to erase the handle as neatly as possible. Once we've erased the handles, we're going to save our image by downloading it. I'm just going to make my brush size a little bit smaller so that I can take off what I need to. And there you have it. I'm going to select download because I'm done. Download image. And then I'm going to move over to my Google page, open up a blank document. Once I've opened up the blank document, I want a very clear page. So I'm going to delete the text box. Now that I've deleted the text box, I'm going to select my Bitmoji, which you would need the Bitmoji extension app downloaded from Chrome, and then I'm going to select a Bitmoji. So I'm going to use this one here. I'm going to expand my Bitmoji, crop out the words air hug. Great, so that I have my Bitmoji crop. And now I'm going to add the face mask, file, insert image. We're going to insert from the computer. It's going to be the last image. That's how I have my items filtered, modified, so that it shows the last date that it's modified. Then I'm going to crop my face mask so that it fits over the face of my Bitmoji. Now that I have the face mask where I want it, okay, just cropping it some more so that it looks realistic. So now that I have the face mask where I want it, I'm going to select the face mask, hold the shift key, select the Bitmoji. Then I'm going to go to arrange on my toolbar and group. Okay, so that once I group them, the Bitmoji as well as the face mask are going to move. This is exactly how you're going to give your Bitmoji a face mask that's different from what you used to. Of course, you can crop this image a little bit better. You can download this, save this, and then go on remove background to clean up the edges, or you can just crop it some more. All right, so we're going to right click. Okay, we're going to copy, and then let's say I wanted to open up one of my Bitmoji banners. I'm going to one of my recent presentations. And right here, I wanted to change the Bitmoji so that my Bitmoji, so I can go ahead and right click and paste my Bitmoji into the room. You will see that my Bitmoji along with the face mask. So we're going to go back and we're going to title our presentation Bitmoji with face mask. And voila, guys, that's it. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this presentation, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.